What's up, everyone? Well, I was doing some warm up on the KOTH and right there. So work in progress, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna warm up here for KOTH. We're gonna hop into the King of the Hill mode in Battlefield 6, get some play time on there, and then we're gonna continue with the King of the Hill mod that we're currently building on the Portal SDK. Just putting in. Kind of early. I said 7 p.m. East. I'd rather get started early. Just trying to get stuff. Alright, let's switch up this music. Oh. Alright, we're doing a little quick. Quick shout out to Vale. You search a Vale BF and you'll find him on Twitch as well. pretty good comp player for Battlefield. He's currently been playing Battlefield 4 lately, kind of taking a break of Battlefield 6 until Battlefield 6 has better updates. But reason I bring him up is he has some pretty good content on his YouTube channel, some good settings as well. You can follow. He has a pretty good video here about Battlefield 6 competitive play and the different variants of the modes and stuff like that. This is his current playlist he plays on the KOTH. The code is right here. KOTH flanking stone, whatever. I can put it in the chat for both chats on Twitch and YouTube. Wait, I'm gonna try to warm up, but I suck so bad. To warm up. I'm gonna follow this target. So out of it. This is a hard playlist to start with to warm up. I'm fairly new to the aim training stuff, so I mean I did some of it back in the day, but not too hardcore. Out of these steps to play this, I can barely keep track of this target. Oh. Replay it. Oh man. I got now. Rainbow Six Siege new update coming out tomorrow. That's kind of crazy. They're bringing back rank placement, so I might be trying that out. I don't only play Battlefield. Well, I might do a stream of that maybe. Back to back. Rainbow Six in years. Feels like maybe like a whole year. I haven't streamed Rainbow Six Siege content in a year or so. Yeah, I miss like mouse space actually when I go to the right. I have a weak right swipe. Hey, I got a high score. Let's go. I like run out of mouse space going to the right, bro. Did I increase my sensitivity? Out of mouse space all the time? Kind of crazy. Save it? Yeah, it did. I feel like it's still the same. I almost feel like I could increase it more. I feel a lot better with this sense. Oh, I was like running out of mouse pad space. My mouse pad is pretty big. Say hi. Get some hand stretches in, because I'm old. Music is kind of annoying. Dude, I just got that song. Dude, I just got that song too. What the heck? It's just repeating the same songs. There's no way. Alright, YouTube. Give me something else, bro. These songs are really old, actually. You know what? You got Spotify. Hey, hi man, are you doing? How am I doing? I'm doing good. How are you doing, bro? ¿Cómo está todo? Oh, apparently I have Spotify. Is that it? Are you serious? Is that possible? Hmm. That's so small. There you go. There you go. I'll listen to this. I'm going to. Going into my No, it's wrong. Um, oh, is it? Test that real quick. Handling something at the moment, but my bro, freaking these bots, bro. Oh, why do they even exist? Why do they even show up on your? So stupid. That's Mr. 2. Oh.
When all the colors fading out and my sky is gray, you're my hideaway. Now those moments, they keep slipping out of frame. Hear you calling, but it doesn't sound the same.
Okay, let's get back to it. So just change my sense by 4 notches. So I was running out of mousepad space. Maybe this is a new sense I run. I want to be able to track this target pretty well. Now this is a stream for modding. If you're just joining in and the recording for the mod, I also play the game, not just mod. So I'm actually warming up to play some King of the Hill pub matches to get more a feel of the actual game flow and spawn system that it currently has, and we're gonna keep working on the mod once we finished. Wow, I am doing horrible. How am I gonna beat my record like this? Can't multitask. Oh my gosh. It's like juking me. Ooh, that was close. Yes, sir. Let's see if we can beat it. Focus, focus, lock in.
You got one foot out the door, then you tell me you want more. Double meanings and things you never said. Playing
Ooh, I would have ran out of mouse pad space there.
Every place that we've outgrown. Take us
Sense.
somewhere I don't know.
Oh man, you really want to shoot me, huh? It's like you're doing too good. Just take you out. Oh, ran out of mouse pad space. It's like going crazy. Oh, I'm weak going to the left. I'm so weak going to the left. That's horrible. Oh, shoot! Okay. A lot higher. Damn. Okay. Did pretty good there. New sense, who's this? Oh, I said it wrong. New sense, who this? Oh. I should get a higher score for all these tasks now. Holy crap, this target is insane. It's like... Maybe that's what it was. I had my sense too slow, huh? Oh my gosh, it juked me. I ran out of mouse pad space, seriously. Let's go! Session passed. I didn't get my high score, dude? What? That's some crazy stuff in there. Crazy stuff in there. What the hell? Nah, dude. What are you gonna... How do you restart this? Where the keybinds at? Aimbot. Why the hell would we want aimbot? Reset challenge. Alright. Good to know. Feel like I can't even blink. I'll look at your chat real quick as I finish this. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. This is insanely hard. I think it's up in the skies when you see all my missed shots. Oh my gosh. I need to put like water mines or something. Like, damn. Every time I go to do these aim training things, I feel like I have to blink a lot more than I normally do. Holy crap! I lifted my mouse there. And best. Yo man, what's up? Let's play Discord. I'm getting blinded by this freaking light. Oh, I gotta turn it off. Hey, sorry. Ah. Oh, that feels so much better. Maybe I'll put like lighting more, actually. Since I have light above, I should actually have light hitting me from under. To get away, to take away my... Take away my black eyes, under eyes. That. It's a lot. This is so bright. That looks better. Way better. Okay. And I'm not getting blinded. You gotta beat the high score. There's no way I cannot move on if I don't beat this high score. I have to see an improvement. Oh. Holy. Wow, this target is switching on me, bro. It was not this hard before. I feel like it's getting harder the more I play this thing. How's that even possible? It's like, is it no? Did it change according to my skills? Alright, new high score. Let's go. Previous high scores. Alright, move it. Move it on. Ooh, I'm having trouble tracking. I'm always behind somehow. I got tension in my hands. Maybe I need to soften up or something. It's like I'm gripping the mouse too hard. I don't know. I almost feel like I could bring my sense up a little bit more. Oh, I beat my high score. Wait, did I? Yeah. There you go.
Red eyes, bright lights, colors in blue in the midnight. I can feel the vibes and it's hitting just right.
Feel the improvement, like huge. Oh yeah.
I can feel the tension, no lie.
Feel improvement big time.
Give me that midnight sound. Pull up for me. I wanna feel the bass in my heart, feel the beat.
I even feel the improvement on this. I felt like this was impossible. It feels so much better now. With the increased sense. My sense was a little too slow. I'm missing a lot of my shots though. Trust me, it's better. Oh my gosh, I suck. Hey, I got a new high score anyways. I told you it was better. Alright everyone, I know you might not be a player, comp player. That's what I believe we can build a competitive community out of Battlefield 6. Not from the core gameplay. Core gameplay is always going to be casual, super casual. But Portal allows us to create our own custom logic modes and change modifiers like damage, all that stuff, and headshot multipliers, all that stuff. I think we should start. If we don't see a change soon from the actual core gameplay, the comp community is going to have to introduce those changes. And the argument so far has been like, oh, you can't change it because then it's going to be two separate games. Well, then it's going to have to be two separate games because currently the developers don't want to go the competitive route. That's fine. They can keep their game how it is, dedicated to casual players. There's no problem with that. I don't think there's a problem with that. I think it's smart to do anyways because target casual players, there's more numbers and more money for them. Now, competitive community doesn't need to follow that. We could just make our own version of TTK and change damage models, all that stuff. Like, we don't need to follow the core gameplay. And we could literally make an overlay over what Battlefield 6 is and modify it to become a competitive platform. And honestly, like, yeah, there's a lot of competitive players that are not happy with Battlefield 6. I mean, we have the tools to change it. We could just change it. So, hey, we just change it and that's it. There's no complaining. Give us everything. We could change all the damage walls. We can change everything we want. Don't expect them to change the whole entire game to cater to a smaller community. And I don't blame them for it, like, but at least we have the ability to change what we want in the game and play it that way. But people are, oh no, you can't change it, blah blah blah. Wow, this is even smaller. Oh, whoa, yo. This target is so small. Dale, what are you doing to me? You're gonna cycle playing this. Oh my god, I'm missing completely. Oh my gosh. Potato. This is horrible. No, dude, I can't. Bro, I can't even keep track of this one. Go insanely hard. I beat the high score. Imagine how bad the last one was. The sense feels a lot better, honestly. Last sense was a bit too slow. I had it at 10, now it's at 14, and I'm 800 DPI. Might be doing a little bit over flicking here and there. Just change the sense. Hey, new high score. Oh, freaking new high score is pretty high. I'm like expecting the target to move so much more now, and I'm not moving. Lifting up. It's like 11,000.
Overdosed when you pull me near. I'm so close to everything I feel. Your love is running through my veins. I'm losing all my sense of days. I've never felt this kind of way.
Yeah, I don't even know how this thing's honestly. What is this?
Don't wake me up. I'm in it. Can't get
I want to change this song so bad. I realize it's
enough. This rhythm, for the first time, I'm really dreaming.
I don't know what it is, but I can't hear girls singing. Like, I can't listen to music with girls singing. That's weird. Can't. Damn, are they worse? It's the music. It's that freaking song.
You like to
Alright. Stop.
hold me as
What the heck's going on here, bro? Can't find good music.
Well, I woke up on the lobby floor. Yeah, last night was some kind of war. I'm coming down like a waterfall. I check my phone, but you never call.
you got scars deep enough to let
Another freaking girl singing.
full of broken
What's this?
glass, and I'm gonna paint it black.
There should be a timer to start these freaking tasks. I don't know why they started so like fast. Should count you down at least 5 seconds, right? The girl singing, bro? Oh, hell no. This is... Yeah, I swear, I said I can't listen to music with girls singing, and then every single song has been a girl singing. I'm gonna have to listen to my OG song that I used to listen to when I was aim training back in the day. Adventure Time. I will make it. So slow, bro. Here it is. Alright, let's try to beat this high score right here. Take that. Take that. Another one? Moving. Crazy how it starts with harder play, like task or whatever, and then it gets easier. Honestly, this playlist starts you off like really hard tracking. My OG song for game tracking. Frame training, I mean. Sorry. Dude, what the hell? Look at that again. Keep. Overshooting. Am I overshooting? That sucks if I am. Damn. How the hell did I want to beat that? I want to beat that. That's your best. Easy. Gotta be 860. Let's go. Like I'm overshooting or something. Oh wait! Oh wait! How do we get that same freaking score? I love that snare right there. It's a back computer. Disarray. That's the name of the song. Oh, stop doing that. Why is it not destroying it? I was gonna beat it, I'll beat it. Next. Beat this one too. We're gonna zoom right through it, baby. Come on. Alright, we got a high score. Let's figure it out. Keep overshooting though. It's annoying. Overshoot. Freaking overshoot everywhere. Gotta get used to this nuisance. I'll do spider shots so that I can get used to this nuisance. That's all last one. This. Target switching is so off. Can't target switch for my life. How are you gonna do that to me, bro? It started on off the screen. Alright, his music sounds good. I like it. Let's go! New high score! Alright, bro. So you can't miss. Yeah, I beat my score. This? Yeah, one more play. Start. Damn, I suck. Oh, you're not gonna beat my high score. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Fingers like keep getting stuck on my mouse, dude. It's like I'm grabbing my mouse and it's like sticky. Not sticky, but you know, like it's like from the sweat, I guess. My hands kind of sweat a little bit. Why this doesn't work? Got all blades in my hands. That happens when you work with your hands all day. Seriously? That suck. I knew my high score was gonna be better than that.
Building a fortress, and we thought it was stronger.
I literally got a better high score on every single one of these. This last one was literally trying again. No!
I thought we were better. We can try to just hide from the pain by building our castle. We can build them again.
Are you serious?
And we can feel nothing.
Just try to beat it. It's a good song to beat it with. Are you serious right now? Oh my gosh. This is why I don't have my sense too high, because I freaking potato on this. But I can't track well if I put it too slow, because I run out of mouse pad space. The dilemma this week. I think the tracking is more important, honestly, for Battlefield 6. I think this playlist or task speed actually matters most. Is fast click on this. Are you serious right now? Missed so many there. Dude, I literally shoot above, below, everywhere but the freaking target. And that's literally just my fingers, like, touching the mouse, trying to get a grip on it. That throws me off. I also have a problem with my gripping. Like my pinky. Just, I can't grab the mouse with my pinky because I have arthritis. My pinky's just straight outwards. Son of a gun. Where'd I go missing again? Got everywhere but the freaking ball. Here goes. Cooking that day. I don't even know how that happened. Come on. Focus. Lock in, baby. We're gonna beat this high school. We're gonna get like 100 right now. Come on. Alright, take it. I take it. It's not 100, but I take it. Let's go. So, King of the Hill gameplay. Hello. What's up? Yeah, I'm live streaming right now. I don't have the Discord voice chat in the stream though. I'm doing the 3rd episode of the King of the Hill mod. Pretty good. Like I just started the stream today doing some aim training, and I'm gonna just play some pubs. So I'm gonna actually just play Siege of Cairo, King of the Hill, so I can continue like getting more of a flow of the mode and figure out how they decide where to spawn players and stuff like that. Try to imitate the spawn system of it the most I can. Yeah. Oh. Oh, am I on NATO finally? Oh my gosh, I'm on NATO! I found the spawn that they gave us at the beginning. You know how many times I try to get on NATO? So NATO has the... Yeah? What was that? Yeah. Was that a stun grenade? And now it gives me the spawn I thought they would get. They were getting. Interesting. So it flips. Oh, that guy was zooming. Damn. This is great. I'm getting all the spawns now because I was only on the other team. Look at this random. They just placed some random stone blocks here. This so that they can spawn them here. That. Tony too. I'm here taking pictures of all the zones. Oh my gosh. Yes, player. That's crazy that they spawned. Oh,
Be advised,
okay.
enemy forces are winning the fight. They've taken the objective.
That's what contested looks like. It's my.
New OBJ indicated.
I don't stretch res, am I? Oh! I am.
Objective ready to engage. Be advised, hostile forces are still ahead of the fight.
Alright, I think I'm done here. I'm not gonna play anymore. I got all the information I need. Alright. So now I have a public repo. We do these. Working on this. Oh, settings. Okay, I guess we can use this one. there's a contestant. Sick. So, this container. This. This is going to be empty. Center. That's correct. We're going to blur. Yeah. Man. Score. Oh, how they gonna move? I make a new container. That. Then friendly progress. Background. The container. This. Now we duplicate this. Change the name. And a name.
Bullshit they tried to pull in my day. You know, if it ain't that piece of
Right.
paper, some other
Got
choice
that
are gonna
friendly
try to make for you.
progress bar. We gotta duplicate this.
Let me tell you this: the older you do get, the more rules are gonna try to get you to follow. You just gotta keep living, man. LIVIN.
Oops. But top right, top left, this one. Need the box here. Right, then we put text. Target. Store.
Man, it's the same bullshit they tried to pull in my day. You know, if it ain't that piece of paper, some other choice they're gonna try to make for you. Let
What
me tell you
the
this.
heck?
The older you do get, the more rules are gonna
Did I
try
just-
to get you to follow. You just gotta keep living, man.
Gotta-
L-I-V-I-N.
Chat somewhere? Just got a random message notification. All right. All right. So, ooh, the heck did I just do? So we're gonna insert an image. Yeah, I see it. This design sheet. Interesting. Who was building these UIs? Why did they stop? So now So we're gonna go ahead and export this, copy, Thought I had gotten screenshots of it. Anchor types. Here. Oops. Alright. Andy, you there? Oh, what's up? Yeah. What are you working on? Okay. Okay. Yeah. It's yeah, the issue is I think you undeploy the players, no? Yeah.
I just can't let you go.
Oh, okay.
Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have
So
to repeat it.
I think I'm starting to narrow down what the time nudge spikes are. scripts. I think there's at times in the like any like custom logic, there's times where there can be too many things trying to run at the same time, and that's what causes the timer spikes. Like, it's like if you need like a manager in the script that basically queues different jobs so that it can never like call too many things to happen at once. Bill and I working on. Currently working on the UI for the mode. Pretty good. I'm using the website, that UI thing makes it so much easier. Oh, what is this? Oh. Detective. Where? There you are.
I'm dreaming once again when you come in. What's a beautiful place? You the farmer in my mind. You were my feel so far behind, so far behind.
Gotta bring you back home.
Container. Then duplicate this. This one.
The loving in my heart won't break in two. I never wanna say that we are through. I'm holding on to what we still have left. And yeah, you know me. The love I give is the love I got. So don't walk away.
Oh my gosh. Keep.
To watch it fade away.
What's this? Why did that change to that? Well, that's not what I want. That it needs to be darker.
Watch it fade away.
So basically, see, what I was doing here. I was trying to imitate the contest itself with the UI. Build a live top HUD, new reference snippet, keep score text dynamic after its initial. Move the top objective timer state text. Rear box squeeze fill, outline reflects viewer, tip ownership. Would that be? Let's go ahead and implement the plan. Open. So, I started to notice that the spawn system is going to be more complicated. I was trying to simplify it with just like 2 sides. It's definitely going to need more sides. Different spawn flips. So like, we're going to need to like have north, south, then east, west. Different types of spawns. It's gonna get real complicated real soon. It was taking forever today. Portal setup 2. Big library, it's not loaded. He did. Thinking hard at work. There's a separate center screen widget shown on. We have these spawns initially. We got keep them. I'm also gonna have these. So see what happens. This is where the blue arrow goes. one spot. So we're trying to fix the top HUD right now, the UI, because it's been broken since we started. So I did some pointers. I gave the AI, the LLM, some pointers by building one on this website, and then you can export the code, and then you can get this code to the LLM as a reference for it to build it properly. Gonna get copyrighted up. Almost copyrighted, not even fun. Oh. That's here. Check out how the UI is now. I'm scared. That should be completely broken still. Saving, don't give me errors, please. Thank you. Alright, second. Watch the game. How broken the UI is. It's Coming in tomorrow morning. Let's go! Super Strike. Use Siege update. Tomorrow morning. Let's go! Placement matches coming back. See what the top HUD looks like. Oh my god. I mean, not happy. I mean, the progress, it's progress. I mean, the crown needs to be way smaller. Check with stretch res. It's fine. Small little changes, you know what I'm saying? Spectator. Box. Little blur.
All I need is somebody here with me. It's a waiting game when you don't feel the same. Give me space to breathe. I'm tumbling underground. Can you take this pain away from me? I'm looking up to the sky for a place to go. You got me reaching up for higher ground. I'm gonna take my chances on a place unknown. You got me reaching up for higher ground. I can't sleep, this feeling it weighs me down. Too much to keep, I'm letting my secret out. No, I don't see a way of getting out alive. Can you take this pain away from me? I'm looking up to the sky for a place to go. You got me reaching up for higher ground. I'm gonna take my chances on a place unknown. You got me reaching up for higher ground.
Take a picture of this UI.
I would drive 1,000
All that just to make a prompt for the UI. We're getting there. It's getting a lot better. Getting a lot better. There you go. No.
I would drop 1,000 miles just to get to you. The days are lonely nights might break me, but I'll stand by you. It could take a billion days, but I see it through. I climb the highest mountain, baby, just to be with you.
More. That's. I'm just thinking about like the different spawn systems. I mean, spawn systems. So. Holy crap! It's getting real complicated. like that to make all these.
Dancing in the moonlight, hold me tight, so tight. Now we're dancing in this dark night, makes me feel high, so high. Don't let go, promise we'll take it slow. If you would give me one night, just
I got into it.
can't let go. Just tell me you'll stay close, 'cause now I feel so drunk in love with you. Drunk in love, in love, in love with you. So drunk in love, in love, in love with you. One night just with you. Drunk in love with you. One night just with you. Drunk in love with you.
So
Chasing for the sunlight, wanna make you mine tonight. Now we're living
the camera's like this. So it's just so we don't get confused here. We're gonna name this north side of the map, south side of the map, west side of the map, and east. We're gonna have different spawns for north, south, west, and east. When one team starts to get spawns north, then the other team needs to get spawns south. We're gonna start them first on west and east. Yeah, we're gonna have to go back into ChatGPT and make a master prompt for this spawn system. Alright, let's check out this. In the current top plateau that made it easy. So while this is cooking, go ahead and really, we can do this now since we have the repo. Yeah, I guess I can't do that. Let's just download this. Okay. How about we do it? How about we talk to it better? That way you guys can hear what I'm typing, I guess you could say. We do a voice to talk. Let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so I am working on a current script for a King of the Hill mod using Portal SDK. This is a zipped folder containing all the files and the API of this script.
I am currently trying to come up with a better way to make the spawn system for this current mode. Playing the native game mode, I have noticed that there's basically clusters and nodes of spawns that the engine gives to players according to where enemies are on the map. Now, initially when the game mode starts, it's the first objective A, and they initially spawn on the map. One team 1 specifically will start on west side of the map, and then the team 2 will start on the east side. Now, the first initial spawns for that team 2 is east but north on the map. And then we have the team 1 that spawns on the west side will have a north east spawn for that A objective, right? So if you look, we have object IDs for these objects that we use to get positions on the world to then teleport the players to, right? They use HQ spawners that are assigned to their team, but then the HQ spawners only for deployment screens where they deploy, and then the script will teleport them to. But we need to queue different spawn points, or the spawn objective IDs that we use to teleport them to, according to where players are on the map. And then we're using area triggers that then help us cache where players are going to and staying to. We have an enter area trigger and then exit area trigger that helps us keep cache of where players are on the current map. But the situation is that we need newer or better object IDs and a manager of these object IDs, because we're going to have way more object IDs to be able to teleport them to different locations in different clusters. And we need to make it that we use a west and east, right, for each team. Depending if what team is assigned to this west spawn, then the other team gets assigned the east spawn, right? But then not only does it have a west and an east spawn, it also has a north and a south in that west and east spawn. Inside of that west and east spawn, right? But then there's objectives that go north and south that get enabled in the mode. Now there's going to be specific spawns that are only like north or south of that objective. And then within that north and south spawns, there will be different variants that are east and west of that north and south. So I need you to help me make a prompt to give to Codex to properly build this spawn system for this mode. And then give me the object IDs that I will use to be able to put into the Godot map file. And then I can position those objects on the map according to north, south, and then east, west of that north and south cluster. It gets really complicated. And then I'm also going to need area triggers to be able to manipulate these too and help the script keep cache of where players are on the map without having to put it on ongoing global and continuously get positions of all the players on the map that could then tank performance of the server. That was a lot. Holy. Let's see if that can get that. Oh. It's doing that. This Codex is fixing the UI, hopefully, not breaking it. And we're also making prompts for spawn coding to the max. Making a prompt for the spawn system. And then we're gonna have to like organize it really well in the Godot engine. By the way, the reason why we're using these objects is because spawn points, we cannot grab their objects position in the world correctly. It doesn't give us the correct vectors. Affected, does if your current live system already has the right foundation, HQ deploy spawners are used only as deployment shells, then spawn service teleports players to configured spatial object anchors. The weak point is that spawns only models 2 flat clusters. Models 2 flat clusters per. Only deployment shells, players configure spatial anchors. The weak point is the only models 2 flat clusters per objective, slot 1 and slot 2. For the system you described, Codex should refactor that into a spawn sector graph. Holy crap. Below is a Codex ready prompt, followed by a clean object ID scheme for Godot. Well, refactor the current spawn system into a structured event-driven spawn vector manager that supports west-east team sides, north-south lanes around each active objective, west-east flank variants within each lane, and multiple anchor variants per sector. Mode uses HQ spawners only for deploy screen deployment. After a player deploys, the script teleports them to a configured spatial object. Current config has only 2 spawn clusters per objective, slot 1 and slot 2. Current area triggers cache players through on-player enter area trigger and on-player exit area. Or using a constant global tick to pull every player's position, preserve the event-driven cache model. Refactor requirements: replace the flat 2 model with structured spawn sector model. Look at that freaking craziness. We're gonna have west and east. Brain. My brain is breaking. Sector key should be determined. The system must allow Team 1 and Team 2 be assigned to opposite macro sides. Default. Team side by team ID. Oh, you see this? You see where this is going? See, like, if I would have had to think about this, I would have broken my mind. Like, I knew where I had to go. I just don't want to break my mind. It's like crazy. So support swapping later if needed. Like, it has a cluster and then it has the east and west. Never hardcore team 1, always west. Inside service logic. So deploy shell HQ behavior. You teleport destinations. Where they spawn sector manager, the manager should expose methods similar to the active. The team's assigned macro side. If hills configure default lane, prefer the safest flank within that lane. If that flank is enemy heavy, try the opposite flank in the same lane. If the lane is enemy heavy, try the opposite lane on the same macro side. Only use the opposite macro side as an emergency fallback. All same side sectors are unsafe. Anchors unsafe. Choose the least unsafe anchor that is failing deployment. Defaults. Default macro side. West. You want initial preferred sector. A west north. T2 default macro side. It's T2. Look at this craziness. Brother, this is exactly what I wanted it to do. We're cooking. We're cooking for this spawn system. Do a commit here. The game again. We're gonna check out this. Ah, gosh. Been working on the spawn system. It's getting so complicated. Hope I don't run out of memory for just the spawn system. I need to make different east west spawns, north south spawns of the objective, and inside of each, like north and south, there's going to be west and east variants of that north and south, and then on like east or west, then there's going to be north or south variants of that same east like spawn. And it's going to be all according to like where players are on the map. and the last objective that they played. Because there's objectives that go north on the map, so that means the spawns are going to be north to south, and then the teams have to have opposite spawns of each other every time. Crazy. So just in object IDs is going to be insane. Yeah, and then I'm going to use area triggers with poly volumes on the map that get enabled or disabled according to like what sectors they're getting spawned on. So that way I can cache, exit, and enter for players rather than having to get positions of them ongoing global and try to make it event driven. Also that the server doesn't have problems. That's what it takes to make it like the spawn system in the native game mode. Maybe that's why they didn't make new King of the Hill maps. Like the new maps that they've introduced, they haven't built that. Because it seems like the spawn system is super complicated. I have negative 30 millisecond time no spike. Well, that's so much better. This UI looks sick. Found. Here. Hey, the code is so complicated that this LLM made for me. I can't find the I can't find the position. Oh, freaking crown. It's like behind all this. UI service app image. No. Like, where is it? How is it handling the position? Dumb. I'm gonna have to figure it out now. No, I'm using that firing range mat thing. At runtime, that properly gives the position in the world. So I'm making like a bunch of those put around the map to teleport the player to. Instead of like spawning them, I'm teleporting them. But the HQs are always going to stay the same. Example, have the position right here. Don't know exactly what it did. Made a position, a parameter of a private method. You heard that, Andy? So like the LLM made the position of my UI widget of a crown, which is an image, but it made the position a parameter of a private method. And I'm lost to where like that where the vectors, like the numbers or whatever for the position that it's getting. It just has position colon mod vector. So I'm asking ChatGPT right now to see if it can find me for me. Says here's source King of the Hill mode live services. Change this value. It's on the line 48. Oh, I see it. I found it. It's as a constant, that's why. Holy crap. That's where we go. Alright. Make this 35, right? Or something. Oh, man. Make it smaller. I figured it out. It was in a huge list of constants above. I was just calling that. It's like following the architecture of Mike DeLuca too, because it has like he has a module in the portal like utils of UI, and it follows that structure to build everything. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I haven't even. I was just like, alright, I'm gonna use it because he clearly knows what he's doing. So hopefully the now sits a little bit higher and a little bit smaller. Once I have this whole logic down, making the next, like the other maps are gonna be the easiest part. The logic for sure for the spawn system is gonna be crazy. Way more complicated than domination. Domination is pretty simple. Yeah, teleporting is so much better than spawning players. It's see if I can stream without. Check out the UI. The timer all above the objective when it's, and as soon as I step in, it turns friendly. Yeah, like this stuff is already working pretty good. Just gotta change it that it doesn't start with the objective enabled. It's just start with like a 10-second countdown to 6-second countdown. I'm really liking this. So the next objective is gonna, it comes up as locked, and then this one goes away, the other one opens. And then if I have somebody join in here, I can test it, which I will have to test. It turns neutral and then it says contested. And the one in the top, like on the top HUD, it changed the outlines to yellow. Another thing that should be happening is hey. just keep streaming until I run out of usage. Why do I keep getting bots entering my Twitch stream saying to add them on Discord? So crazy. What are you doing here, Steve? Watching me vibe code, bro? Alright, let's check what this thing is coming up with. Show yellow label outline plus friendly / enemy bars and counts only when both teams are on the hill. If the expanded in objective HUD, when should the yellow contest? Only contested. Obviously.
I realize I'm walking on dead land. No hope. No future. I'm lost forever in this wasteland.
We're gonna play Rainbow Six Siege tomorrow, Steel. New update comes out. Dude, I'm actually sunburned. I got a sunburn. I'm white, yeah, but I got a sunburn. Like I got a sunburn on my nose. Also, right now I have like professional lighting, bro. Get to my level. Just kidding. I'll try it. The Siege, yeah. We gotta try it out. Hopefully it's better. Hopefully the placement matches are a lot better. Expanded in objective HUD state. Update the existing per player objective route so it has two modes. Compact top mode when the player is outside the active hill. Expanded in objective mode when player state is inside active hill. Expanded mode moves lower, grows to 50-50 and shows contested only count. Size bar. Outline, white letter. Then outline. Looking, we're cooking. Go ahead. We're not that sucker. What we're gonna do is put a bot. I put a bot in the experience, and then we're hopefully gonna get the bot to get to the objective without it like getting stuck on the map somewhere. Heel titty taint.
Maybe I'm dreaming. Let me wake up. Please let me wake up.
Oh. Oh my gosh. We're gonna be cooking with this. Look at these objective or area trigger IDs. So let's estimate team. East. That. Would be for objective.
You're all I need. I wish to be deep in your love. I can't get enough. Why don't you run to me?
Hey, and
Can't stay away from you. There's nothing I won't do.
we go
Our souls are made of flame.
start on the east west with variance side that east and west being north. And another sample that and E are on the north side. So north, south, side goes north and south. E west. It in system called window called pink tweet, whatever. We're gonna call it that. Alright, see you later, man. Thanks for tuning in. Nuts.
It's all good.
Holy.
It's all good.
Will be the last implementation and last test because I'm gonna go eat. Wheel. Rip. I'm streaming for 3 hours.
static. 2. Let's add 1 bot. Later. Oh, why is he not spawned in? Spawned in now. You gonna get here on time is my question. No! You bastard. It's not protected inside of it. Want to test the UI for being contested, that's it. Then we're gonna end the stream here probably. I'm gonna go eat. I'll be right back. While this thing is cooking up a plan, probably be done by then. All right, I'm back.
Let's see what the heck this. Where we are. Make AI boss holder account on. Blah, 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 blah.
Just take it easy, man.
So, font system. Sectors. Stuff.
Huh. No, X. One.
Devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess.
I mean, this is nice. This is really nice. Battlefield fucking creator program. Got this logo there. Got this, like, tacked out arm pouch. I mean, like, come on. Huh? I mean, this...
Think twice a video. Oh, look at that.
Devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess.
No audio on that guy. No audio on that guy either.
How is he?
No audio on that guy.
Wait. Here's my freaking audio. Stop. Watch this. There's audio.
No audio on that guy. No audio on that guy either. No audio on that guy.
Oh, you need to turn on. You need to put high object. Want more people to see or reply? Maybe later. Sure.
Fuck? Am I getting force pulled by Darth fucking Vader? What is happening?
Hilarious.
The fuck? Am I getting force pulled by Darth fuck?
Wait a second.
Look around. One of the zoo animals.
What the fuck, gay Batman? What the hell was that? Fly straight, bro. I can't. I'm gay Batman.
That's insane looking thing. Finished. Do a proper testing here. He fixes it, and we can properly test the contested UI. It's the bot that like instantly dies. I just want that. See if I can get on there. No. back? I guess he's not coming back. Oh, here he goes. Time was up. Wooded. One day. Alright, sounds good. Whoa. We know that's working properly. It looks sick. Walk already? Let's go.